Fresh salads and berries make the summer such a special time. For all the visual delights of autumn, I can't help but be a little sad to see the growing season behind us. But that all changed when I learned about freezing fruits and vegetables for the winter. In Minnesota, we know lots about canning fruits and vegetables for the winter, but we can also use the freezer to save some of our summer treats for the winter months. I'm here today with our resident chef, Carole Johnson, who's going to tell us how to preserve corn and create a delicious sweet corn that you can freeze and eat later. Carole, one of the hardest things is getting sweet corn off the cob.
Well, I have a good method to show you today. It will be less messy and you'll have your corn all in one place. I'll be using the bundt pan today. You could use an angel food cake pan as well. Just put the cob on the hole there. And as you can see, it falls directly into the pan. You would do all of your ears of corn. And then you have your corn all in this one bowl, and the cobs are ready to throw away, and you're ready to start freezing.
Carole, after you have the corn cut off the cob, what do you do with it then?
We'll put all the ingredients into this pan, which will include water, sugar, and salt, and we'll heat it to a boiling point and cook it for a regulated amount of time. Cool it down, put it in a freezer bag.
Why is it important to use a freezer bag?
Because of the weight of the plastic, and you can always tell a freezer bag because it has a blue edging on it. Those that are not have a red edging on them. You want to lay your bags flat in your freezer. Actually, they will stack better, and the corn is going to keep for about 1 year in your freezer.
If you're looking for delicious Minnesota sweet corn in your neighborhood, please visit minnesotagrown.com.